Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by Lashacey. So in today's video I am going to be swatching the acrylics that Wendy had mixed for me. I'm just putting on my gloves because I've absolutely battered my nails. I was having a really bad anxiety last night and I bit my nails. Like literally bit my own nails. And I haven't done that for 20 plus years, so they're very sore today. So I've got this. These are the acrylics that she made me before, and there's the one she glitter bombed me with. So I thought I would put that on the back. I love that she makes these for me. I love it a lot. Right. So I guess we're just going to swatch. I'll just start off with this beautiful gold. Look how shimmery that one is. Oh my goodness. Look. That's beautiful. It is like a fine gold and it's got some teeny tiny like little like strands in it. So pretty. So pretty. You know, I nearly dropped that. Would have been a disaster. Let's do this one. This one looks so pretty. See, it's a, I think it's a clear with, I don't know. Let's find out. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. So this one is, I don't know if it's like a dark grey. My eyesight is just ridiculous. I think it's got black and silver. But very pretty. I really like that. I made Wendy and also Joe some iridescent white glitter with like these tiny black hexagons in it, which reminds me of that, but mine's more white, and it reminded me of a Sharon fruit. Right, let's go with this one. That's unusual. What's that? The hearts. Okay, this one needs a little bit more clear acrylic in it because it's still quite pigmented. I mean, there's a lot of pigment in it. I can bulk it up so I get more. Let me just put the lid on that one, but look at that. How bloody cute is that? So it's a luminous yellow, a neon yellow, and it has some fine red glitter in it, and these tiny little, they're not even bloody hearts. I thought they were hearts, they're not, they're Mickey Mouse. Oh my god, they're tiny, look how cute they are. I hope you can see that. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. I love it when there's a little surprise. Right, let's try this beautiful pink. So it's an iridescent pink. It's like a neon. Can I class it as a neon? Oh my god, it's just like a Barbie. Look. That is stunning. I love it. This is gorgeous. Get that. So yeah, it's like a Barbie pink. And it has like, these strands don't belong, it's obviously come from that, but it's got like an iridescent green, it's a pink tinge. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I can't get over the bloody Mickey Mouse heads. How cute. Right, let's try this one. Oh. Beaut, beaut, beaut. Put the lid on. So this is a lilac, and it has that really super fine strands in it, which is an iridescent. So it's like a blue to green. Oh, it's so pretty. Them strands are bloody tiny, aren't they? How cute. Okay, now this one, I can see like gold. Some of them tiny little strands. There's some gold ones, some cerise. Like iridescent to green. Oh, that is gorgeous. So that is more, I don't know what colour I would call that. I want to say like a raspberry, but it's not. It's like a, I don't know, like a muted red. And it has some iridescent fine glitter in there, and some holographic small hexagons. That is so pretty. I love, I love, I love. Now this one I remember, yeah, it's got some mylar in it. Ooh. Yeah, oh, it's got blue, yeah, blue mylar. So pretty. Wow, do you see that? Yeah, look, it's a green. And then it's got some fine blue. And then it has some blue mylar. Excuse me. And then some green hexagons. Yeah, and blue. That's so pretty. So pretty. This one's a more chunkier one. It's a blue. And I don't know what colour. Yeah, this is more chunky. Bloody gorgeous. So yeah, this one is a blue, and it has like, I want to say orange hexagons. And is that pink? Yeah, pink. And there's some mylar as well in there. And there's some iridescent little hexagons. It's so pretty. Look how gorgeous they are. I love them so much. Really, really pretty. Thank you so much, Wendy. I really, really love them. I really appreciate you going out of your way and making these for me. Now, you need to get yourself some labels, girl. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you again, Wendy. I'm going to come and message you now. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love them. And they're so pretty and so sparkly. And them ones, I thought they were little hearts, but tiny little Mickey heads. How adorable. So thank you so much. Love it. Right, I'm off, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.